Jaja bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Let the newsmen write what they wanna write. Let the wicked believe what they wanna believe. Jaja bring forth honey, don't stop. Now, Jaja bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Let the sufferer be always strong, and give dread natty the power to be true and strong. Jaja bring forth honey, don't stop. Now, Jaja bring forth milk and honey, don't stop.
Hold your roots and live to the truth. Oh yes, hold your roots and live to the truth. I never run away, and that's why I pray. Preach righteousness and no delay. Yeah. Never run away, and that's why I pray. Righteousness on the way. Yeah. And them a shatter and them well misled, taking bribes to shoot man dead. Yes, I don't want the violence to spread. Oh yes. Them still bring them guns to town, threatening to shoot their brothers down, yeah. So foolish, acting like a clown, oh yes. Better you hold your roots and live to the truth. Oh yes, hold your roots and live to the truth. I never run away, and that's why I pray. Face righteousness and no delay, yeah. Never run away, and that's why I pray. Righteousness on the way, yeah.
One chalice load. Forget me in a the mode before I hit the road, yo. One chalice load. And the good says, good says, yo. One chalice load. Forget me in a the mode before I hit the road, yo. One chalice load. We smoke nothing but the best, nothing but the best. Happy big it up, cause we are the entrepreneur. If we get a cut this herb cover, we soar. In a Kingston, Europe, Portmore, people are ball out. Give we more, give we more. Down at Jamaica where we have herbs galore. Time to build it up like Amsterdam herb store. If you check me house from ceiling to floor, have a sickness it a me cure. Hey chop, one chalice load. Forget me in a the mode before I hit the road, yo. One chalice load. Nothing but the seeds, nothing but the seeds, yo. One chalice load. Forget me in a the mode before I hit the road, yo. One chalice load. Hey, the good.
And the weed flex, with me knapsack from me back, and me chalice well stashed from the weed flex, in the west me there, orange will be up to find from the weed flex, just one day away from the stress and the pain and the de-stress, kick back and burn some weed, it is so refresh, once in a while I've got to take away myself just to ease my stress and to keep my meds. 10 miles away from the city, burn the chalice to the gritty, yo. Burn Babylon red. Go link me bridging, Congo Jesse, him a the farmer, me and Tessie. I'm getting food to my brain. On the side we have some items, true as him and down. Kick back and watch when pagan and weed and down. Weed flex, with me knapsack from me back, and me chalice well stashed from the weed flex, in the west be there, orange will be up to find from the weed flex, just one day away from the stress and the pain and the de-stress, kick back and burn some weed, it is so refresh.
Babylon is on a overtime, and I can see that your dream and aspiration is crumbling. Every time the bingy man yarn, I can see them, they afraid, them afraid. Babylon is on a overtime, and I can see that your dream and aspiration is crumbling. Every time the bingy man yawn, Babylon way. I tell them love and unity, but I know that them did want. The bugger them a live like goose, and not live like dog. Why you a rush vanity so? Like some damn arbor shark. Jago beat you up and make you drop back in the past. You remember what did happen to Jackass? Roots and holy culture where the ghetto youths want. Them yam up Jaja chicken and them sip up Jaja hog. Selassie I go left them in a one big body bug. Yo, Babylon is on a overtime, and I can see all the dream and aspiration is crumbling. Every time the bongo man yarn, I can see them, they afraid, them afraid. Babylon is on a overtime, and I can see all their dreams and aspiration is crumbling. Every time the bingy man yard, Babylon grows. So will give us abundance in the time of drought. I heard the voice of the people been crying out. Who will provide for the mouth? So we'll be safe and sound. Now the children shall suffer no more. So we're rather to be rest assured. I won't be pushed around like no clown. Oh, so give us his for his blessings. His works is everlasting. The love is so pure. Give us his for his blessings. His works is everlasting. Ever living, ever faithful, ever sore. Give us his for his blessings. His works is everlasting. The love is so pure. Give us his for his blessings. His works is everlasting. Oh yes. The Most High will always protect us in the battle. Free us from the bondage of the Eden's tentacle. Got to get away from all them obstacles. Still no got no fear even when gunshots are rockle. Hey, watch them in and they might in place. Them no real, no got no genuine embrace. That's why them pick and choose, grab and take. No, they wanna bow down and taste. Submissive devices of his blessings. His word is everlasting. His love is so pure. Devices of his blessings. His word is everlasting. Ever living, ever faithful, ever sore.
I do. We need to be safe and every hour. I do. That's why I chant my psalm and sing my prayer. I do. My past is my present and my future. I do. We need to be safe and every hour. In my hours of distress and in times of weariness, He is always there at my request. Even when I was close to death, when my foes came to eat up my flesh, Jah was my refuge and strength. He is my fortress. Yes, when I call on Him, He will hear my supplication. He is my rock and my salvation. Oh yes, I do. We need to be safe and every hour. I do. That's why I chant my psalm and sing my prayer. I do. My past is my
fi hear you fear it, yeah. Do not mock Rasta, hey. And not tell we not tell we about no rapture. You see that you can feel that. Well, go and go read the scripture. Not a real in a Babylon, my ambition now go itch ya. The poor get poor and the richer get richer. Every man a play a role and every man go paint a picture. Don't be a shuffler and don't be no trickster. Yo, Rasta told you what you know. Hey, hey. Well, that is my God and King. I got to tell the world life is the greatest thing. Me now get caught up in a them western swing. Confusion and violence them bring. And I told you, Jah is my God and King. Got to tell the world life is the greatest thing. Never get caught up in a them western swing. Confusion and violence them bring. Well, listen me no bing.
When a poor man cries, there's no answer, there is no response. And when a poor man dies, it's no big deal. It's like they're giving thanks, and it's a sacrifice. Living in the ghetto, their lifestyle not nice. And when they hear our voice, they always choose to ignore. And we let them put a price. But Babylon, anywhere you are, in your house or in your car, judgment coming at you. I say go ahead and run. Anywhere you are, whether near or whether far, judgment coming at you like the bullet from a gun. Anywhere you are, in your house or in your car, judgment coming at you red hotter than a sun. Anywhere you are, whether you're near or whether you're far. Well, bloodshed, the litter in the streets like garbage. The youth, them future getting damaged. Them want to eat up with flesh like a savage. Them not really care how we manage. All I wanna say, youth, open your eyes. Political warfare, I was dropping like flies. Put away the care, bury back the nine through the dark clouds. Here comes the sunshine. Anywhere you are, in your house or in your car, judgment coming at you. Go ahead and run. Anywhere you are, whether near or whether far, judgment coming at you like the bullet from a gun. Anywhere you are, in your house or in your car, judgment coming at you red hotter than the sun. Anywhere you are, anywhere you are.
Stop self-destruct. Stop self-destruct, youths. Get to your feet, stop self-destruct. Start stepping up. Start stepping up. Whoa. No Babylon, them think you're suspicious. War in a gun in the ghetto. War in a bus down a town. A sound a juggle on the corner to keep the bad vibes down. One black star should never take another black star down. No, like no white star. We need all the black stars now. Yeah. Stop self-destruct. Stop self-destruct, youths. Get to your feet, stop self-destruct. Start stepping up. No, stop stepping up. No. Make Babylon go and think you're suspicious.
We're influenced
By what we hear. Environment, how things appear. It's evident in how we share our greatest strength to show we care. Cause some are shoot off them out like a bullet. Hold them up a place like a no one can pull it. A folly and double standard a pull it. You think you're bad but you are bully. So stop self-destruct. Stop self-destruct, youths. Get to your face, stop self-destruct. Start stepping up. Start stepping up. Whoa. Let Babylon go and think you're suspicious. Stop self-destruct. Stop self-destruct.